Hello everyone, Matt here, Poor Boys, again, Hey, this guy got towed in all the way from New Mexico just for me to go put a tranny in this thing. I know those aren't a thing nowadays, but we put one in these guys, all right? Now she's going home. Isn't that what I said?
You said a tranny.
Oh my God, damn it.
It's okay, just redo it again. I'm still recording.
All right, that's good. What's up everyone, Matt here, Poor Boys, again. This guy got all the way, oh fuck. God damn it, Rob.
Who was even watching you do this?
I know, well, he was. He stared at me for a second. It scared me, dude. I'm fucking recording, asshole. All right, well, I will watch it. You ready? All right. Hello, everyone. Matt, Poor Boys here. All right. This guy got all the way towed in from New Mexico for us to put a Randy's transmission in it. Come here, come on. Come look at this guy. Come on. Look how beautiful this thing looks. Nice and red. Beautiful. All right. You want the best trains in the world? Come over to Poor Boys, dude. Late.